Students, today we are going to study part 5 of your class 10th commercial applications, and the topic which we are going to discuss is role of marketing. Dear students, as we all know that marketing plays a very big role in any of the business. Just from thinking about a business, means from idea of a business, even after the sale of the product, there is marketing. At every step there is a requirement of marketing. Marketing helps a business in improving the standard of living of a people. Marketing helps in generating employment. Marketing is called an eye and ear of a business. So here there are few points which clears that marketing has a very vital role in any of the business. First is eye and ear of a business. Marketing is said to be the eye and ear of the business because it keeps a business enterprise in touch with the changing needs and preference of the customers. It is only marketing which tells a businessman that what is the requirement, what is the preference of any of the consumers, what customers are asking for, what do the customers require. So this is only marketing. It keeps a business in touch with the needs and preference of consumers. Earlier the products used to be packed in big packs. Later, when the need arose, then the businessman got to know that people want in smaller packs. The things were packed in smaller packs. Even in the smallest pack of 1 rupee, 2 rupees or 5 rupees, many things, shampoo, biscuits and many other things were packed in small packs. So this is only marketing which tells a businessman what is the requirement and preference of any of the consumer. Now, nervous system. Marketing is the center of nerve system of any business, because marketing is the nerve center of all business activities and the hitting or beating heart of a business organization. It is called by Drucker. Now, marketing improves the standard of living of people. How marketing improves the standard of living of people? Marketing helps to improve the standard of living of the people by increasing per capita income and by bringing new and better products and services. Whichever products and services are produced that are reached in the market at the cost which is affordable by any of the consumers. So it improves the per capita income. People are able to buy the products in that by spending that much money which is in their pocket. People are getting better products with the money which they are spending. So it is only marketing which is improving the standard of living even of the people. Even marketing also tells the people that which product has been launched, what are the qualities of any product, by advertising the product, because advertising is also one of the step of marketing. Now, marketing generates employment. How it is? Marketing generates employment. A large number of people are gainfully employed in the distribution of marketing of products and services. When products are distributed, means right from the production house to the consumer's house, there are various stages, various steps, and that there many people are given employment for reaching the product from production house to consumer's house. Not only reaching even in other activities like advertisement, customers response. For these activities also there is a need of marketing. Now helps the government in eliminating social evils. Marketing enables the government and non-government organizations to eliminate social evils like insanitation, illiteracy, drinking, gambling, dowry system, racism, etc. It is through marketing or social marketing and family planning, pollution control, AIDS awareness, and other socially useful programs have achieved a reasonable degree of success only through the marketing. So here the role of marketing ends. In our next part, means in part 6, we will be studying meaning and nature of product. Till then, thank you, goodbye.